Nearly everyone remembers growing up on building blocks that snap together. In the case of our Cisco Business Wireless network, we easily snap on additional access points, making your life a little simpler, sort of like it used to be. In this Cisco Tech Talk, we'll show you how easy it is to set up a second CBW access point to your network. Next. To start, we should have already added our CBW AP to our network, and it has already been configured. Now we can add our second. Plug in our CBW device. Let the CBW device boot up. Boot up can take up to 7 minutes. Make sure the CBW AP receives a DHCP address that is in the same subnet as the primary CBW AP. Our router will act as our DHCP server. It's handing out DHCP addresses to our clients. It's here where we can see both CBW access points on the same subnet. Our second CBW access point has a DHCP address. Here's our primary CBW access point. And right here is the management IP address. Now that we have verified that both APs are in the same subnet, we will be able to manage both APs from the primary AP's management IP address. It's important to note that the management IP address of the primary access point will always be attached to this MAC address, 00:00:5E:00:01:01. Next, let's log into the primary AP management IP address. Once we're logged in, click on Access Points. Here we see two. The first is a primary AP, and the second is the CBW AP we just added. Our second AP will reflect our first AP. Whatever wireless LANs have been added to the primary AP will also be added to the second. Also, all firmware updates that are applied on the primary AP will be updated automatically to the second AP. To manage our second AP, click on Wireless Settings, then go to Access Points and click on Edit. Here, we can make our second AP the primary AP if we'd like. We can also add a static IP configuration. We can also edit the radio configurations. If we wanted to add a new wireless LAN to the AP, we can click on Wireless LANs and click on Add New Wireless LAN. We can edit our configuration, and whatever new wireless plan we create will be added to all the access points. See? Much easier than installing a real door. CBW access points are where it's at. Thanks for watching this Cisco Tech Talk. We'll see you next time.